Perfect. Wadsworth, just the person that I wanted to see. Wait, what is that?
Your first clue.
Our first clue? Or are you just trying to show off your sound effect budget again?
I assure you that there is no vanity on my end.
Will you stop talking and let me listen?
As you wish, madam.
Classic sneaky business here. What is that even supposed to mean?
Please review the butler's code, madam. But I'm happy to deliver today's second and third clues now.
Second and third clues. Now, how many are there today? Yes, Wadsworth, please tell us the clues.
To start, a new visual puzzle has been posted on the walls. It should be easy to spot as you go through the hallways today. I also have a new riddle to deliver aloud.
Perfect. Let's hear it.
You may be surprised that this leads to nowhere.
You may be surprised that this leads to nowhere. That's a brain bender for sure. Are you sure that's even a riddle and not just how I feel about our little chats?
Indeed. Well, it's been my pleasure. Good luck with your endeavors.
All right, detectives, we got a whole bunch of clues to solve today. One is posted around the school, the other is the song from the beginning of the announcements, and now we have the riddle. You may be surprised, but I lead to nowhere. If you know the answer to either or any of those, write it on your answer sheets that were placed in your mailboxes. Good luck, everyone, and keep those eagle eyes open because this just keeps getting weirder and weirder. We interrupt your previously scheduled program for some breaking news, Eagles. We had some great answers to the puzzles yesterday, and I believe we have them solved. The first solution, which of our items or locations would be persuasive? Well, in order to be persuasive, you need to make a lot of good points. And what makes better points than a laser pointer? And for the second clue, the one Wadsworth posted around the school. Well, I hope some of you knew that was Weird Al Yankovic standing on the scale being weighed, which means that's Al Way. Add the plus H and it's hallway. Therefore, we can go ahead and cross off laser pointer and hallway from our list of suspects, which now means we only have 7 left. This was the closest race in the history of Ridge Lawn. 2 teams correctly identified the laser pointer and the hallway and were very close to the time. It was a showdown between SpyCam and 213 Clue Crew. Each team was basically 3 seconds away from the time it took Miss Kazmir to walk her lap around the building. Luckily, she went to the hundredths of a second on her stopwatch. Her time was 3 minutes, 9 seconds, and 34 hundredths of a second, which means our winner is SpyCam. But I want to thank all of our classes that participated yesterday, and there will be more chances to win today and tomorrow. SpyCam, you have a cupcake party coming your way today. Back to your previously scheduled programming. I have a real treat for everyone this afternoon, as you will all get to witness my expert interrogation techniques for not just 1, but 2 at the same time. Here in this room with me are Miss White and Miss Scarlet. Thank you both for joining me.
Well, I wasn't going to, but I received a note that said there would be sandwiches. So now that I'm here, I don't see any.
Well, I've had to start luring people here with the promise of snacks.
Uh-huh. Well, that is a new low. I have nothing to hide, and I'm always happy to help when asked.
Thank you, Miss Scarlet. That's a refreshing attitude. Let's start with you then. I understand you are quite a performer, singing and acting and that type of thing.
And I'm more than happy to help you with your pretending to be a detective and all. First, you should find your character's motivation. And then second, do research to find out what a real detective might do and
You
say.
misunderstand, Miss Scarlet. I am not in need of assistance with my detective work, I assure you. In fact, I almost have this caper solved.
Well, if you have it solved, what are we doing here?
I simply have one more question I would like answered. Miss White, do you keep a diary?
But if you're asking if I keep a diary here at school, the only thing close to that is my daily cleaning log. I like to keep track to ensure everything is
Aha!
Aha, what?
I don't know yet.
Oh, but you are starting to sound motivated. Good work.
Please, don't patronize me. I'm aware that I'm doing a good job.
Can we leave? Yes, I have to get back to a cup of chamomile tea that's getting cold.
Yes, yes, you may both go. For now. Well, that was enlightening. Or maybe just confusing. Either way, we've now heard from all the suspects. I hope you've been listening carefully because the clues are starting to stack up. And tomorrow, things might get even louder. Stay alert. The mystery is nearing its end. I'm starting to think that the culprit is of a small proportion to the mystery and our larger suspects. Smaller culprit indeed.